Congresswoman Ayanna Pressley has gone where many are reluctant to go in Congress. She says she supports the resignation of Senator Dianne Feinstein, whose medical absence from Capitol Hill is holding up judicial appointments. Is a Congresswoman right not to hold back? Ginny?
I don't know. I mean, it's a tough one, and I think the Democrats tread a very fine line, given we're not allowed to question the age of their nominee and current president of the United States. But this woman can't go to the hospital for a condition for a while. It seems really tricky.
Marianne?
This could be addressed if the Republicans weren't blocking the Democrats' opportunity to replace her on the committee. She can continue to serve, but by putting another Democrat on there, you could start getting these judicial appointments through. And once again, it is so frustrating when Democrats have power. They don't just be able to see how to use it. And we saw that with McConnell and Obama waiting a year to put a Supreme Court justice on the bench.
Next item, natural gas stoves. The largest city in this country, New York, has become it's the whole state, but New York has become the first state to ban natural gas stoves. The law will require all electric heating and cooking in new buildings that are shorter than 7 stories by 2026, which is right around the corner, obviously. Taller buildings extended to the deadline of 2029. Marianne, is that a trend? Should Massachusetts do the same?
I think what would be better here, at least, is to reduce the cost to convert to these things. Stoves, heat pumps, all of that. They're so expensive. And I think increase the rebates, lower the cost. We'll get more transition done that way than imposing something like this right now.
Ginny, what do you think?
Yeah, I think the cost is the issue, but as goes Brookline, so goes the country, right? Brookline did this around here.
Right.
And at least they're not taking individuals' gas stoves away. It's prospective. At least that's better than where we were.
All right, let's wrap things up with best week or worst week. Marianne, you start.
Best week, the conviction of the right-wing Proud Boys on sedition charges for trying to overthrow the government, stop Joe Biden from becoming president, and do it by violence. It is the first time in centuries, ages, that this charge has been adjudicated against anybody. And as a result, we're keeping our democracy. It was a good day for democracy and a good day for the rule of law.
And Ginny?
The mayor of New Bedford, John Mitchell, who's biting the hands that fed him, gave him $1 billion and additional boondoggle of this rail line to New Bedford, is now threatening to sue the state. Come on.
So that would qualify as the worst week. I think.
I think so. Yeah.
I just want to be clear.
My tone might have.
You sold it. No, you
Yeah.
sold it very well. Marianne, Ginny, thank you for joining us, folks. Thank you for joining us every Sunday. We go on the record.